Hello everyone, welcome back to my reasoning class. Today we'll be doing problems on directions and distance. This kind of problems are very common in any competitive exams, so keep on practicing with me. Let's start. Now today's first problem. To solve any problems on directions and distance, we need to know about this diagram. This is very common, I think we all know about it. The upper part is north, lower part is south. This one east, right hand side, and this one is left. Okay. So the problem says Raman walked 2 km west from his office and then turned south covering 4 km. Now suppose Raman's office is here. He went 2 km west from his office. So west means in this direction. 2 km Raman went, then he turned south covering 4 km. In south he went 4 km, okay, 4 km in south direction. Then finally he walked 3 km towards east, okay, 3 kilometers from here towards east in east direction, and again move 1 km west. That means again he moved 1 km in this direction. Okay. How far is Raman from his initial position? See, Raman is here now and he started from here, so he is absolutely 4 km away from his initial direction. Okay, it's very easy. So 4 km will be the answer. Next, early morning after sunrise, Rajesh was standing in front of his house in such a way that his shadow was falling exactly behind him. He starts walking straight and walks 5 meter, right? Okay. He turns to his left and walks 3 meter, and then again turning to his left walks 2 meter. Now in which direction is he from his starting point? Okay. So let's start. Early morning after sunrise, Rajesh was standing in front of his house in such a way that his shadow was falling exactly behind him. That means Rajesh was standing facing towards the east. Okay. Then only his shadow will fall exactly behind him. So he was facing towards east. Then from there he starts walking straight and walks 5 meter. From here he starts walking straight. He was facing in this direction and he starts walking in these directions 5 meters. Okay, he turns to his left. Let's start the diagram from here. Okay, then he turns towards his left. He is facing in this direction, so he turns his left means he will start walking in this direction. Okay, and walks 3 meter. From here he walks 3 meter. Okay, and again turning to his left walks 2 meter. Here again he turns his left. That means if he is facing like this and turns left, that means he will start walking in this direction. Here 2 meter. Okay. Now in which direction is he from his starting point? His starting point was here and now he is in this direction. So this is which direction? Which direction is this? See, if we go in this direction, that means it is northeast. Okay, so now he is in his northeast direction, and so northeast will be the answer. Got it? Next, problem number 3. One day Ravi left home and cycled 10 kilometers southwards, turned right and cycled 5 kilometers and turned right and cycled 10 kilometers and turned left and cycled 10 kilometers. How many kilometers will he have to cycle to reach his home straight? Okay, so here Ravi starts from this point, suppose, okay, and he cycled 10 kilometers southwards. Now suppose this is his home and he cycled 10 kilometers southwards, okay, 10 kilometers southwards, okay, turn right. Now from here he is facing in this direction, and so this will be his right. If he faces in this direction, this will be his right direction, okay. He turned right and cycled 5 kilometers. So from here he cycled 5 kilometers, okay. Again turn right and cycle 10 kilometers. Now here he is facing in this direction, and now if he wants to turn right, he needs to face in this direction, and in this direction he cycled again 10 kilometers, okay. So this is again 10 kilometers, and then he turned left. From here he turns left, so he is in this direction. Turns left means in this direction, again he will move. How many kilometers? Again 10 kilometers, okay. So now how many kilometers will he have to cycle to reach his home straight? Now from here he needs to go back to his home, so from here he will go straight. So how many kilometers he needs to travel by cycle? 10 plus this is 5, so 10 plus 5, 15 will be the answer. B will be the answer then, okay. Next, number 4. If the digit 12 of a clock is pointing towards east, then in which direction will digit 9 point? Now again, to solve this problem, we need to take help of this diagram. Here 12 is pointing towards east, that means 12 has shifted from here to here. Normally 9 is here, so here 9 will be shifting from here to here, so 9 will be in the northern direction, okay. So north will be the answer. So that's all for today. If you find my videos interesting, then please do comment, like, share and subscribe. I'll come with new problems very soon. Till then, tata.